dead. If these things really decide to, get on bad now, what you gonna really do?
They jump over them fence and knock out the iron and stuff.
What? Well, yeah, I mean, look at the size of them.
Easy.
You
tell me.
Are you ready though? Alright, so what we have is a whole goat good and smoke. Right? And we had the goat head to make a goat head broth. Alright? So we're going to do that. Go and give it a nice little slow smoke here. Then we go and put it by the riverside to get a nice little char. Finish it off. Right? Marinating for 2 days in some spices and some seasoning and some goat yogurt to make it nice and tender so it wouldn't be like rubber. To impart a lot of flavor. Right? Good stuff. Alright, so with the goat head broth, we're going to braise down the goat. Alright, set it off a little bit in the pot, put some mirepoix, let it cook for a few hours, and then you're going to remove it, let it cool, scrape off what we need to scrape off and add it in. Right? Also have some little carrots, some pumpkin, eddos and things to add to it, and I have some goat bacon that I made a while ago, that going in it too. Right? Nice vibes. We had the liver too, the liver and all the offal, that going and going in it too. So it's strong thing for the back. Yes.
Most likely they didn't get tested because of the sun. Slaughtered ethically. She was fed the best food.
What we have is the coconut husk. This is what we're going to use to smoke the meat. But we had to wet it first. We buy a river. So I ain't wasting no time. Put it straight in the river. Build a little dam here. You go pull it. From here, put it there. To put it. Put back some water wet. So whole day for smoking, we have some nice thing. Fresh, it's natural. Straight from the earth, straight from the water. You can't get better than that. Right? What are we saying? This done soaking here for a little while. You can see it wet. Right? So just kind of thing out the excess water. Right, so now he go and sit down there, cover down, and take smoke. Right? Where was the smoke? Not the heat. Right? You can see? I put my hand there, it's not hot. It's warm, but it's not hot. Right? Cover him down. Well, cover her down, because she name is Sally. Right. Smoky. Right. Well, first things first. You want to get
Papa freaks all the honeys.
That too, but right now we're dealing with the goat head. Right? Pot nice and hot. Right. You go and get this goat head a little safe. Smelling that goatiness. Yeah.
Yeah, so a little spice blend there.
Ready change to hot up when it's color after take body with.
Right.
Cut the these colors, yeah? Okay. So what you doing there, boy?
Grind up a little spice blend, allspice, cinnamon, coriander, jeera. A little spice blend for the Guinness Goat. I'm gonna break up that cinnamon. Some coarse sea salt. The spice blend.
Freshly parched.
Yeah. And then the aromatics here. I'm putting some ginger, onion, garlic, chive, celery, some hot pepper. Right. And of course, get in and just massage that. Because it's going to cook for a while. Yeah, so everything will kusume, go marry together, and so we not to worry about, marinating, nothing like that.
Have you finished this bowl already?
Yes, man. Well, yeah, you see we dry down here. So, next step is the deglaze with the Guinness, because I mean it's Guinness Goat, right? So,
Riverside cooking can be fancy.
Nah.
smell that. They need no more salt in this, I can tell you that. Boom.
So yeah, you don't know. See what's going on here? See how the liquid gets? Nice and cloudy. So all the meat start to come off from the bowl and start to separate out. So you're going to take this off, let it cool, scrape off all the meat, go back the skull into the pot. So it's going to be a rustic kind of vibe, you know? Yeah. And then the liquid, just now I'm going to strain the liquid, put it back into the pot, right? And let all the flavors marinate and add in all the mirepoix and stuff on the meat, the goat bacon, and yeah, broth. See, no, the teeth and thing. The teeth. Hey, have some cavities, boy. Yes, we looking nice, plenty of smoke. Sitting down here for a few hours. Yes. Watch that carcass.
The carcass?
Meat carcass. If you come and watch it closely, right? See all the moisture in it. All the juices, all the juices. Let's see the meat still juicy. It's not dry. That's what we want. Let me season season and everything. You see the color, the seasoning color, everything turns to a nice brown color. That is because of the smoke. The smokiness that penetrates through the meat.
It's nice, a nice
That's so penetrating.
Yeah.
See, when you have
I
an
did it,
animal
something
that is produced with love, it tastes better.
Indeed,
See?
indeed. Yeah. Final step here. Fresh herbs at the end. You don't know. Guinness Goat was going for a couple hours. Ready now. So, yeah, going in. You ready there? You get any money shot? Alright. It's a Guinness Goat, but it's an African stew at the same time. But we nice here. Flavorful. Yeah.
How long did you have to cook it for? It's a low and slow process, right?
It's a low and slow, so it's about, it went for about 3 hours. 2-3 hours, yeah. And yeah, I think we in a gear there. A little spicy. I use allspice, cinnamon, coriander, jeera.
So since we're celebrating Goatober, we thought we'd bring you guys one of the locals who cook local sheep and goat every week. I'm here with Navin from the Hangover Wagon, and he's going to tell you the special thing that he makes every week for sale that you guys could get. So tell us, Navin, what is the Hangover Wagon?
The Hangover Wagon, everything we do is local. Local meats. We also if you do goat, we have to do a goat burger. Also sheep, lamb burger.
And I've had the burgers and they're excellent. And one of the good things about the Hangover Wagon is that they actually get meat from one of our TTGSS members. And you guys might have seen the video that we did on Marilisa Farm, but they get the meat fresh from Marilisa Farm weekly. And then Navin turns it into amazing burgers. We're going to show you guys a little of what the burger looks like, but to try it for yourself, you have to check out the Hangover Wagon. And where's the Hangover Wagon?
And Southern Marion Crab, next to Bush Street, opposite Bush Street.
And you can't miss it. There's a big wolf chasing a sheep because you know why? Lamb is so good.
Don't worry about that.
Please. Come to the stand.
So what we have here is a whole smoked goat, right? It's been smoking for about 4 hours, and then we brought it out here to finish smoking. Get some nice open air smoke, right? It's marinated for 3 days, and a lot of spices, seasoning, and as well as goat yogurt to make it nice and juicy and tender. Yes. So we have a lovely specimen here.